Hello, welcome to Gravity Sketch, St. Patrick's Day. Today we're going to be making some pot of gold and some shamrocks. So first, the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a gray, go here, push it in the center, all the way in till you get about a gray, nice gray color. And I'm going to leave it as basic. Then I'm going to press X on the left controller. I'm going to go to Surface, Custom Revolve, and then I'm going to go to Point Mode. So that way you can get the top. So click here. Outward, inward, right, like that. Then you can click out, in, push, outward, and if you can go through, click inward and get it as small and thin as you can get it here. And then you can take any of these points and then press Y on your left controller. Then you can grab it, and then you have your pot of gold. If you don't like how it looks or how its shape is, you can press Y again while grabbing it. Edit its shapes. Pull that in maybe. Some of these points I want to push in. If you push up forwards on the right stick, you can extend your area of influence and continue editing the shape. Once you got your pot to a way where you like it, you can press Y, you're done, and that's the first step done. Now, I'm going to go to Tool again, I'm going to go to Shapes, and then I'm going to go to Cylinder. Now, if you go to Cylinder, make it smooth, click, put both your hands together. Now, grab it with your right hand, press Y again, and shrink it down. Then, you press Y when you're done, and this is going to become our coin. So go back to our colors, go to reflective, and get like an orange-ish color. Now you're going to press A on your right controller, go to color, the paint bucket, color materials, and then you're just going to click on it. Boom, that's a coin. Now you take this, you can shrink it down with both your hands, and you can click to duplicate it. And I'm going to put a bunch of these in there and just cover the top with them. You can even put some just around the pot in general. Nice. Now we got the gold going on. Now we can take the pot and get a little bit of grass on the floor. So I'm going to go to green, go back to basic, hold A on the right controller, sketch, and I'm going to go back to shapes and get a plane. And I'm just going to make it about this big. This green is actually way too bright. Do that again. There we go. I would actually grab this, press Y, go to convert to subdivision object, and then just turn subdivision on, up. Perfect. Now it's more round. It looks less weird.